So as you can see, I don't have a lot of brows, and I find that in the past, brow pencils, brow wax, any brow product in the marketplace, it ended up looking artificial or too heavy on me. And in the efforts to create and to remedy what I was looking for, and also as a makeup artist, I came up with this sheer, easy to layer liquid brow liner. Today I'll be doing a quick demo on brow liners and its application. So I like to start the tail end of my brow and I bring it inwards. I'm using a color called taupe. If you're on my website, you'll see the description for taupe to be for someone with lighter hair, but I do have brow and they're naturally dark, and I don't really want to go super intense. That's the look I'm trying to stay away from for years. So one side and the other. Let's take a look. See how it gives me an immediate lift to my look? So this is the taupe shade. It is a cool ashy taupey color, great for darker hair who's looking for a very natural look. Now this is my everyday brow look. So if I'm going out grocery shopping, or that when I used to go and work out at bar classes, I don't like to go out without any brow makeup on. So this is the one thing that I would do.